Hello everyone, this is your friend Ashutosh Dwivedi and you are most welcome guys on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. So be happy, be positive and be optimistic towards learning anything new in your life. So just keep watching my videos and keep supporting me. Thank you so much. And today I'm here with the topic of weather. I'm gonna ask few questions to myself about the weather. So it will be helpful for you as well and it will be helpful for me as well. So my first question is all about what's the weather like today. It means the question is all about the weather of today. So if the weather of today, it's really hot outside, I mean to say that I'm burning. You can feel like that, the sweat is coming from my face. It means it's really hot. Temperature is extremely high. So this is all about the answer of first question. The second question I'm gonna ask, that is what's your favorite weather. What's your favorite weather? So you can also write your own favorite weather, but I'm gonna tell about my favorite weather. So my favorite weather is I do like summers, but the temperatures must be moderate from 30 to 40. If it is going to be extreme, more than 40 and the temperature is quite hot, at that time it is unbearable. So I do like summers, but the temperature must be between the 30 to 40 degrees. So this is all about my second question. And the third question is, do you like the weather in your country? Yes, I do like weather in my country. I mean to say that I am enjoying a lot in the rainy season. I'm enjoying a lot in autumn, and I do like winters as well, and sometimes I do like summers as well. So I'm enjoying the weather of my country because the weather of my country is quite good. The people, they want to come from another country to visit my country for the weather, for the beauty, and lot more things are there. So the fourth question is all about, is the weather the same in all parts of your country? Not really. I mean to say that weather are really different. I mean to say that if you will go in northern part of our country, weather is quite different. If you will go in northeast like Jammu and Kashmir, so weather is totally different. In southern part there is also some difference you will feel, and in western part as well. So it means weather is not same in the every single part of my country. Weather is totally different, and if you want to go and if you are to like very much like cold weather, at that time you can go to prefer like Jammu and Kashmir and Simla, I mean to say Himachal Pradesh. But if you do like summers, you can come in northern part as well like Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. There you will get a lot more hotness. So it is all about your taste of the weather. Whatever you do like, you can prefer the states according to them. So my fifth question is all about that, does the weather ever affect the way you feel? Yes, I can say that sometimes it is impacting. Due to weather, we are getting the negative thoughts as well, because if we are getting really a temperature which is really against to our body and we are not able to adjust in that weather, at that time we are getting a lot more negativities. So that is impact of the weather, whatever we are not liking, and that is against our taste. So that is the thing. I also felt sometimes, I do like summers, but whenever it is temperature is more than 40 to 45, at that time it is giving me a lot more sadness and negativities, because I want to do a lot, but due to this weather I'm sweating a lot and I'm burning. At that time I'm just boiling. At that time it is quite typical for me to go forward to do a lot. In afternoons it's impossible kind of things, really tough. But after that also I want to be continue. This afternoon also I am making video for you guys because I want to do something. So that is the thing, it can change your feelings sometimes. I'm totally agree with this. But after that also try to be positive and try to do something better in your life. So weather will always change, but you have to be stable. So the fifth question is all about, not fifth, it is the sixth question and the last question. Does the weather in your country ever affect transportation? Does the weather in your country ever affect transportation? Yes, of course, I'm totally agree with this question. Sometimes it is affecting to the transportation system of my country as well, because I have seen sometimes in December and January in northern part. I'm living in Uttar Pradesh, so I'm telling about my state. So we are getting a lot more fog and invisibility. At that time it is quite typical to ride and go through the general transport, even though Indian railways are also going to be cancelled some kind of trains at that point of time if we do have a lot more fog. So because it is impacting to transportation system. And northeast, like if we're talking about Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, so sometimes snowfall is also impacting to the transport system. The people, they want to go out, but due to that they are not able to go, because general, I think you will not get the general transportations, I think very easily, and that is the problem here. So sometimes I'm totally agree with it, like that sometimes it is impacting due to, I think weather, and due to this kind of things we are getting impact on the transportation. I think the question is all about the relation of the transportation with the weather, so sometimes it is impacting. So that is all about the answers of today's question. So thank you so much, and keep watching videos, keep learning something new. And if you are learning little bit from my videos, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel, so it will be helpful for me and you as well. So bye bye, take care.